Hello everybody, this is a quick review of the laminate scoring cutter from Anvil. That's the model number 1006135.093. That's on sale at Home Depot. Made in China, distributed by Home Depot. This is a relatively new product and I'll tell you why. What can you do with this? So when you're putting a laminate flooring, normally you use, at least 99% of the guys would use a regular circular saw or something like that. All of this seems to be a little bit redundant because you cut the laminate flooring, you cut the laminate flooring, you cut the laminate tile or plank or whatever you say it is. You cut that on a straight line with a perfect edge, then you line it up against the wall and then you cover it with a quarter panel. So that's completely overkill. So that's what they decided to do. Hard metal here, sturdy grip, you line it, you score it, and then you simply break apart the laminate flooring. It's absolutely, in my opinion, it's absolutely ingenious design. I don't know how somebody didn't come up with this earlier. I don't know how somebody didn't think about this earlier, that you don't really need a fine edge, you just need a cut. You just need a good cut. That's all you need. Because either way, you're covering it with a quarter panel or something, with a a round quarter or something like this. You are covering it. You're covering that edge completely, so it doesn't really matter if it's rough or if it's completely straight. And that's what this does. It is just a simple hardened metal with what looks like is like a carbide tooth, similar to those that you would have on a regular saw disc for your circular saw. And that's it. Cheap, ingenious design that would serve you a long time. Yep. Thanks for watching.